Isabel, what are you eating? It goes in your mouth, not your ear. The hand tastes better.
I like this one.
What are you eating, Olivia?
A foot.
A foot? Is that a fortune cookie? Do you remember what your fortune said?
Yeah.
What did it say?
That.
All right. That's good. Use two hands. What do you think? You need a napkin?
My turn?
Your turn? Are you done with your fortune cookie yet?
Yeah.
Is it crunchy?
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
So you have that all over your face. It's under your chin.
This one? How about this one?
You want to try one of Isabel's? Okay, hold on. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.